Mange, mange, mange.
Bonjour, language enthusiasts. I'm Pierre, back again to guide you through the delightful nuances of French pronunciation. Today we're diving into the word mange, and this is your daily dose of language fun, so let's get started. The first part, ma, sounds like the ma in mama, as if you're a hungry baby calling for food. The nasal a is a bit tricky for English speakers. It's like trying to say father while holding your nose, giving it a funny and nasal twist. The ng is pronounced like the j in measure, but imagine saying it with a silly exaggerated accent like a cartoon character. And just when you think you've mastered the pronunciation, the final e silently sneaks away, like a mischievous little gnome playing a prank with your tongue. And voila! Now you're all set to pronounce mange like a native French speaker, with a touch of humor and amusement. But hold your folks, there's more to this word than just its funny sound. Let's roll over to Mr. Globert, who's eager to serve you the appetizing history behind mange.
Merci Pierre. Now let's feast on the rich history of mange. Mange, meaning to eat, has a flavor-filled journey through time. Originating from Latin, the word comes from manducare, which translates to chew or devour. Picture ancient Romans lounging and munching on grapes. That's a manducare in action. As time marched on, the word evolved in Old French to manger, which still meant to eat, but with a medieval French twist. Imagine knights and nobles feasting in grand halls. That's manger for you. Today, mange in modern French simply means to eat, a vital and joyful part of everyday life. So the next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, think of the centuries of chewing, feasting, and merrymaking that have seasoned the word mange. And that's a wrap. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more scrumptious tales from the world of words. Bon appétit!